Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to borrow games on Steam. Let's get started. So once you've logged into Steam, you need to make sure that you've logged out to your Steam account and log in with your friend's Steam account or one of your family members. So after you're done doing that, you're going to go to the top left corner and you're going to click on this icon here, the Steam icon, which says Steam, and you're going to look for something which says Settings. After doing so, you're going to go to the left side of the screen and look for something which says Family. Now under the heading Family, it's going to say Family View, Family Library Sharing, Authorized Library Sharing on this device. So this is what we're looking for. So you're going to toggle this thing over here, which is going to give us more options. Now it says Eligible Accounts. So what I said before is you need to sign out of your own Steam account and then log in with your friends or family members' Steam account. So my personal Steam account is over here. So eligible accounts, I'm going to toggle this here under share. So now I've logged into my other Steam account, my personal one. So if I go to library, so you'll see a game which says Solitaire Royale. Now this game was downloaded from my other family member's Steam account. So you'll see here under play, it says from the library of Ernest Eswa, and now the person is offline. So I've logged into my own personal Steam account and now the game is available for me to play. So I can just play there. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.